Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your week 4 screencast video. Pardon my raspy voice. Well, it's more raspy than usual. I've been battling a cold the last couple of days. So, just as a reminder to everyone, the final draft of Essay 1 is due tonight, Sunday, March 3rd, end of day. Your first blog post is also due the end of day. Remember, just head on over to the Reflection blog in the course menu and you can see the instructions there. You want to make sure that you do address the course outcomes in your blog post. So, here in week 4, we begin our new unit, the second unit, the summary unit. So, I'll talk about the reading in the unit in a minute, but you'll see this week all you have after your blog and final essay draft of essay 1 are posted is the readings to work through this week. Initial posts are due on Friday. Sunday, your 2 responses are due on the unit reading. So heading over to the course units tab, we have unit 2, a summary. Um, Key to the summary is always reading with purpose. So, in the overview and the objectives, really the key to academic writing is reading and reading with a purpose. Whether you're asked to summarize, paraphrase, or analyze, the ability to represent an author's thinking accurately is critical. So, in Unit 2, we'll focus on academic reading by writing a summary of Mike Rose's interesting article on work skills. So I have the unit objectives and also the 1101 course objectives, English 1101 course objectives that would apply to this unit. So what you have here is 2 PDFs. First PDF is your subject article. That is Mike Rose's Blue Collar Brilliance. And the second uploaded article there is The Art of Summarizing, and it's going to excerpt from a textbook that discusses how to go about the process of writing a summary. So we have the two uh, articles for this week's reading assignment. You will be writing a summary of my Blue Collar Brilliance for your Essay 2 assignment. So, briefly, and I'll probably come to it as we move close to the drafting stages, but your assignment is to summarize Mike Rose's Blue Collar Brilliance. Now, I don't want to give too much away. It's an engaging article about the cognitive processes of blue collar workers and what those processes are as far as embedded into the daily work routine. Sometimes everyone seems to look at blue collar workers as somebody who just execute a task, when in fact there is a bit of thinking and reading and cognitive processes that work in the blue collar field, and it's a little bit more intellectual than people think. And more so, we look at an idea of really what is intelligence, and there are all different types of intelligence, whether it's academic intelligence or we have common sense type of skills that really require some critical thinking or, as we say, problem solving. So your task for essay 2 will be to write a summary. Your audience is a group of trade school recruiters. They're looking for some material to add into their recruiting information. Trade school recruiters are much like vocational schools, and they like to put forward a positive image for those individuals who might be considering a vocational career as opposed to college. So, this is a straight up summary. We'll talk about introductions as we move through the unit. Your bulk of the essay 2 will be summarizing Rose's article and his argument. In the conclusion, you will be asked to give your assessment on that particular topic and Rose's article and offer some sort of a recommendation for the trade school recruiters. So take your time and read through the assignments a little bit more detailed than the essay 1 assignment. And you'll be able to work through Rose's article through the week. And we'll follow the usual pattern. It'll be 1 week of readings and discussion board. The next week will be invention activities, and then we'll move into summary and submit that. Actually, I think it's due right before spring break. And as planned right now, I have no activities planned for the course over spring break. So look through the unit carefully. I will be forthcoming with more material for the unit and for writing summary and addressing it in subsequent weekly screencast videos. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact me. But as you move into Unit 2, good luck.